This is a 16-piece jigsaw puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Oscar van Deventer and it has a difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is obviously take it apart and reassemble it again. If you like the 16-piece jigsaw puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, we have to take it apart. The disassembling is quite easy, but still requires a little bit of skill. So what you have to do is to grab one half of the puzzle with one hand and another with another hand and just do a rotational move like that. And you will see that you can separate the parts. It is not a regular jigsaw puzzle. You won't be able just to lift the parts to remove them. And I will show you why. If you take a closer look at the jigsaw pieces, you will see that they have quite interesting shape. Each cutout is wider on one side and much smaller on the other side, and each sticking out piece also wider on one side and smaller on the other side. That means that each part is supposed to be put in a correct spot, and only then you will be able to put all parts back together into the square shape. And as you can see, to disassemble the parts, you have to disassemble them in pairs. Like I grab this half of the puzzle, then I split it into two equal parts, then I split this part into two other equal parts, and now I can separate the parts, and then I can split these two and these two, and that's how you take this puzzle apart. But now you have to assemble everything back together. Just take a closer look at each piece that I'm having in my hands and just repeat after me how you put them together. So when you have two and two, then you can connect them together. Again, all the parts are connected with a rotational move like that. You won't be able to put them together like a regular jigsaw piece, so you have to put them like that, and then you rotate them and connect together. Then we grab these two parts, put them like that, and these two parts, and we put them like that. And again, connect two and two parts with a rotational move. And now we can connect these parts together, and we have a half of the puzzle here. Next, we grab these two parts and connect them like that. Then these two parts, just take a closer look at the cutouts and the sticking out parts and the side of the piece, since they are different on both sides, and connect them together, and then connect these four parts together. Now we have only these parts left. They come together like that. These two parts like that. Then you connect them with a rotational move and connect these parts again with the same rotational move. And now when we have two halves of the puzzle, just put them together. Wait a sec, probably something is wrong. I have to flip this part. And you connect this top part, since these two parts will be just put one on top of another, but the main part here is the top one. You put it like that, do a rotational move, and then connect all the parts together, and that's how you solve the 16-piece jigsaw puzzle. As you can see, great puzzle, very interesting idea how to make a regular-looking jigsaw puzzle into something unique and quite puzzling. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Oscar van Deventer, go to puzzlemaster.ca.